Hi, I'm Sarab Kapoor, a chef, author and a culinary consultant. Today I'll be making Achari Kathal curry. People are actually afraid of making kathal because they feel it's very complicated. Today I'm going to break that myth. So for this Achari Kathal curry, I've got raw jackfruit here. To make it easier, I have put it in a pressure cooker for one whistle only, and so it's nice and soft, tender. Now the other thing which you could do is, if you want to make it even more tastier for a party, you can add in one more step, entirely optional. Fry the jackfruit after you've pressure cooked it. Only one whistle in the pressure cooker and then fry it till it's brown. Now let's get started. So I'm going to heat up some mustard oil. I'll put in mustard seeds, fennel seeds, cumin seeds, fenugreek, some crushed cardamom, cinnamon, black peppercorns, nigella or onion seeds. The oil should be just nice and hot, and then you lower the temperature because you don't even want the seeds to get burnt. As these seeds are spluttering, I'll throw in some dry red chilies. Now we put in our chopped onions, garlic paste, ginger paste. So we're not going to fry the onions till they are brown. We'll just cook till the onions are soft. I'll put in a little bit of salt, which will help onions cook faster. Onions are getting cooked, soft. We'll add in tomato puree, yogurt, turmeric powder, some tandoori masala, red chili powder, kasuri methi, crush it lightly. Now we saute it till the oil seeps out. You can see the color is nice and red. Now I'm going to add kathal. If it gets too dry at this point, some hot water. So I'll add in some lemon juice. This is entirely up to you. If you feel the tomato puree and the yogurt is done, then you don't need to, but I feel I need a little more sour, so I've added some lemon juice and sugar. So we'll let this simmer for about 5 to 7 minutes. So our Achari Kathal curry is ready. I like the consistency to be a bit saucy, so let's plate it. You can serve it with some extra lemon on the side. Garnish it with coriander leaves, some onion slices. Wasn't it simple and easy to make Achari Kathal curry? Please try and leave your comments below. I'll be back with many more vegetarian and vegan recipes soon.